Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to talk about 3 reasons why your executive doesn't trust you. Losing the trust of your executive not only will hurt your potential opportunities for future promotions, but it can also bring a lot of hardship to your current position. So let's look at 3 reasons why you might be in this situation. There are clear messages from your executive when they really enjoy the working partnership. Because you both come to this place where you both have successfully established a respectful and effective alignment where you both trust in the ability of one another. But there will be nothing worse than when you realize the tables have turned and the trust between you and your executive has been severed. You then ask yourself, what happened? Where did it go wrong? And why doesn't your executive trust you anymore? Let me give you 3 examples why this could have happened. The first is the ability to create conflict with other staff members, conflict with their leadership team, and conflict with their business partners. You're a representation of your executive, and if you have a condescending attitude, you will or have been creating a challenging and hostile work environment for your executive to continuously address. The second is the lack of understanding of your position. If you don't understand the expectation of your role, and if you don't understand how the group functions and your place in it, it may be a deal breaker for your executive. And trying to pull the whole fake it till you make it strategy, well, they're going to catch on pretty quickly and you're going to lose the respect and trust of your executive. It's one thing if you truly don't understand the expectation, and it's another if you don't care to learn it. I have a video called Know Your Executive's Expectations, and why it's so important to understand how they think, how they look at situations, and what they need from you. Don't lose the most critical component of your working relationship with your executive, because once you've lost their trust, it'll be like moving a mountain to ever regain it back. And third, it could be the lack of respect for your position. This could be in the form of you not arriving to work on time. It could be that you're late to meetings. It could be how easily it is for you to dismiss phone calls and emails. It could also be that you don't take great care of what you're producing for your executive. And all those situations can snowball into a situation where your executive will lose trust in you. Let me end by saying that there are many ways to preserve the trust between you and your executive. Have a sit down to talk out the struggles that you're facing, and they'll be glad that they were able to assist their most trusted working partner. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone for watching. Take care.